you for joining us on Vacation Station TV, your virtual getaway. I'm going to share this with you. Joe and I are having a meal. Miss Marie.
She made us something?
Yeah, she made us a meal. Simple meal indeed. Potatoes, onions, ground beef, seasoning, cooked to perfection. Look at that. You try to get that in a restaurant, you're going to dump yourself $15, $20 down the tubes. But Miss Marie made this. Look at that. Nice potatoes, nice onion, and Joe.
Make sure you save me some, you idiot.
Joe, you don't eat.
I can if I want.
No. Look at that. Beautifully done, Miss Marie. A meal for a king today at the Casa de Crazy. Thank you, Miss Marie.
Thanks, Miss Marie.
Well, there you go. That's about all I could eat now. I'm really full from that. Look at that. Squash in there. Really delicious. Fresh squash. That meat was so tasty. She put all sorts of cool spices in there. Nothing hot. There's a little bit of bite, but nothing hot. The potatoes are cooked just right, just the way I like them.
That's the way I like them, too.
Joe, you don't eat.
I can eat if I want.
Joe, all you do is drink coffee.
I know. I'm really jittery now. Like one of them potatoes, if you could give me one.
Joe, you can't eat potatoes. Look at that meat. Look at that. And the squash, so good. Succulent, fresh squash. Oh, man. It was a big meal. I know you didn't get this. I mean, you could see it, but it was a big meal. And very, very tasty. Very tasty.
I don't know. How come I got only coffee?
Well, because you're a coffee cup.
I could be more.
Well, you can't. You're always going to be a coffee cup. Isn't that nice? Miss Marie does it. Miss Marie can cook. Don't ever think that she can't cook. She knows how to cook all sorts of cool meals. Just the ones with the eyes. Those are the only ones I don't particularly like. The eyes. Anything else she cooks is, well, and bitter melon. I can't do bitter melon. No. But everything else is really, 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 really good. She makes that Korean chicken and Korean barbecue. Man, you can't find that in this town anywhere you go. Doesn't that look good? You have to admit, that looks really good.
Looks really, really good.
So what do you think? Miss Marie's a good cook?
Yeah, I think she's pretty good.
Yeah, I know. Think should I keep her around?
Yeah, keep her around a little longer. As soon as she slacks off, dump her and get me a girlfriend.
You want a girlfriend cup of coffee?
Yeah, you know any?
Maybe. Say goodbye, Joe.
Goodbye, Joe.
Thank you, Miss Marie.
Thank you, Miss Marie.
A great meal. I enjoyed it very, very much. Hopefully you did too. It's a lot of fun, and Miss Marie likes cooking for me. All I did was say I was a little bit hungry, and, well, then I added to that, why don't you go up and rustle me some grub? And, and then she reluctantly went up the stairs. Right, Miss Marie?
Right, Miss Marie.
Thanks for joining us on Vacation Station TV, your virtual getaway. And thanks for joining us on Eating with Joe for lunch. See you soon.